Liongard's automated documentation allows you and your team to always have up-to-date data that you can trust. With Liongard's IT Glue integration, your team has access to automated system configuration and status details directly in IT Glue in the form of flexible assets. And because we gather this data continuously, your documentation is always up to date. Now, here I am in Liongard's IT Glue integration screen. In the table below, you will find a list of all flexible assets created by Liongard that are currently enabled in IT Glue. Each flexible asset type will contain a list of inspector or inspectors that will populate rich data on all of your systems. For instance, workstations, TLS, SSL certifications, network systems, domains, and more. Now, I do want to highlight a common way that our partners leverage Liongard's automated documentation in IT Glue, specifically with their firewall systems. Now, before we look at these flexible assets in IT Glue, I want to point out that by clicking the edit fields of each of these flexible asset types, you can select exactly which data shows up in IT Glue. So for the firewall flexible asset type, I'm going to click the edit field, and I am taken to a table showing me all of the flexible asset fields that I can include, link to Liongard, or just exclude. This gives you and your team the ability to drill down into the specific data that you want in IT Glue. So let's jump over to the Contoso Nation organization in IT Glue. Here, we're going to find the same flexible assets that were listed in the Liongard IT Glue integration page. And if I scroll down, I will find the firewall flexible asset type that we were just observing. I am going to click on the Cisco ASA Contoso Nation system. And here I have access to the specific data that I configured to appear here in IT Glue from Liongard's Cisco ASA inspector. The Liongard Cisco ASA inspector gathers crucial data on the firewall device, interfaces, access lists, licensing, SSH channels, as well as running and startup configurations. Having access to this rich configuration data can become very powerful, especially when troubleshooting issues. Maybe your Cisco firewall has gone down, or maybe there are connectivity issues. You can come into IT Glue and look at data that you know you can trust because Liongard is constantly and automatically updating these flexible assets. Our IT Glue integration is easy to configure, and it will also allow you to import your IT Glue organizations to create Liongard environments and onboard customers faster. For more information, take a look at our documentation linked below.